Grüß euch and welcome to this video.
In this video we'll present you a way to find a good tattoo artist for your tattoo.
Okay,
let's start first with the intro.
I want a tattoo, so to find the right tattoo artist, talk with people who have tattoos. That's a good thing to start, okay?
Yeah, maybe you like my tattoo and you want to get to my tattoo artist or like your tattoo, and I want to know who is doing that good art. Maybe I like it too, so yeah.
Talk to each other. The second thing is
look through your tattoo artist's portfolio. So every tattoo artist has a portfolio, but check real work too, and to avoid Photoshop fakes.
Yeah, that's pretty important, okay? So first talk to people, second look at the photos of the artist.
Yeah, and the next thing is avoid the cheapest options. So not every cheap tattoo artist is the best.
Is a good artist.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to put more money in the work, but you get better results. The next thing is research the artist on Google and look for experience reports and reviews that will help you get a better picture of the artist you want to join, you want to go to.
Yeah, that's pretty important. And then talk to the artist.
Make yourself a personal impression of the person who want to ink your.
Go to the studio, watch the studio. Is it clean? How are the people there? And what does the artist say? A good artist doesn't make everything. They are specialists, some on oil or some on portraits, and so you can choose your artist.
Yeah, some are better in watercolor. Check the work he did before. So my tattoo artist knows a lot of Maori and a good shadow and color grading, and your tattoo artist likes faces and lines and details.
Detailized tattoos.
Yeah. And always check his skills. So what are important to check his skills? So you can check the lines. Check if the lines looks if they are drawn in one single stroke, or check color and coloring and shading. Check if every work from the artist is always good. A bad artist also has always good work. If the artist has a bad day, there is always producing a good tattoo. So when I see a tattoo artist who does 6 days a week good work and one day not, then he's not a good artist.
Yeah, you have to be hard. You have to be
consistency.
You have to search for consistency.
Yeah,
and that's pretty important. Yeah, it's your tattoo for your whole life, and so you have to think about who is inking it.
Yeah. And the next thing is ask and look for paperwork. Are there any certificates? Are they valid? Are they still valid? Every tattoo artist should have these certificates, because everyone can tattoo, but only the good have put their money in their work and have their certificates at home.
Yeah,
so
right.
They prove that they did those courses or that fulfilled the requirements from the government or what else. The next thing is look for good safety practice. is it clean? Is the studio clean? Does he open the needles and the colors in front of you? Yeah. Let him show you the closed utils and tools he used for you to check the dates on the needles, check the dates on the colors. Yeah. Something else? Yeah. And last but not least, listen to your gut. So if you feel uncomfortable, or is there any question in your head, or some voice in your head that say, I'm not sure,
do you feel uncomfortable?
Then leave the studio. It's not okay. Yeah. And also a good thing is, if you get excited when you watch the tattoo artists work, and you are really excited while watching, then maybe it's a good sign for you to talk to him, to make a date and check his work and make a personal impression, to talk to himself.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope we gave you some good information, and commented in the comment box.
Yeah, tell us if you have bad experiences with tattoo artists. Tell us if you have good experiences. What's your feelings when you go to a new one, or do you prefer only tattoo artists which tattooed friends of your? Let us know, and if you find this information helpful, like it, share it,
subscribe, and bye.